open up. You open up.
Hi guys, so this is it. It finally came here. So we're just going to unbox it. Beautiful. So this is the limited edition Littman Classic 3. I purchased the raspberry color. It's so beautiful. So let me show you guys. This is the copper finish chest piece with a raspberry tube. OMG, I'm so happy. And just to let you guys know, this is my very first Littman stethoscope, and I'm going to use this for our clinicals once we go back to campus. And I also purchased this Paramed blood pressure cuff. As you can see, I do love pink. Almost of my stuff are pink, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to put all of the website where I purchased this from in the description down below. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this short video, and have a good day guys. Bye bye.